Armasight has one of the most senior executive staff in the industry. In fact, all of our executive people, they have more than 20 years of experience. Having so much experience gives us a deep insight to a military community, law enforcement, and the civilian sector for hunters and stuff like that. And basically what we're doing is we're listening to their needs and we're delivering the product. Armasight, having over 600 different items in its arsenal, has the largest selection of night vision, thermal, and digital equipment on the market. Having so much equipment allows us to address each and every customer with their specific needs. We have equipment starting as low as about $300 to $400, ranging all the way up to $15,000. We cover the intensive selection of equipment for the hunters, for people that like to be outdoors, and for the law enforcement military applications as well. Some of the new items that will be introduced in 2015 total into 50 more new items that will come to the market, making us even a larger supplier of night vision and thermal equipment. One of the most unique things that's going to come out to the market is this tiny unit called Q14. This right here is one of the smallest thermal multipurpose monoculars that's going to be presented to the market. Q14 works on the latest quark made by FLIR. It's available in 336 and 640 cores, so it can basically give you the highest level of resolution that's available on the market today. The beauty of a Q14 is the size and the functionality of this unit. Everybody's thinking of combining I-square, night vision technology, and thermal equipment. So with having such a unit, you can attach thermal monocular on one hand, on one side, and then you can attach I-square unit on the other side, and this way you can have a dual goggle which allows you to move freely and detect and identify objects as you come across. Another unique feature that will be brought to the market is an extremely powerful IR illuminator. This illuminator can light up the area up to 300 to 400 yards depending on your needs, and you can adjust the size of the beam to cover the area. You can also adjust the brightness or the intensity of the flashlight. In 2015, Armasight, in addition to its intensive line of night vision weapon sight, will bring one more scope which has a 8-power magnification. This right here is a Vulcan 8X. It's one of the largest magnification night vision weapon sights on the market today. And in fact, if you're trying to take that long shot at night, this is the scope that you're looking for. Even though it's large in size, it's still fairly lightweight. It has adjustments for the focusing, and you can reach out as far as 1,000 yards with a nice tube in it. As of today, Armasight offers one of the most intensive line of clip-on systems on the market. We have over 8 different night vision clip-on systems, and now we have more than 5 different variations of thermal clip-on systems that will be presented at 2015 SHOT Show. Now, some of our clip-ons are already familiar to our customers, such as an Apollo, which comes in either 336 or 640 cores made by FLIR. But this year, we're also going to bring a couple of new options, such as Apollo Pro, which brings the level of the clip-on system to a completely different level. We will bring it with the 30mm, 50mm, and 100mm lens. So if you're trying to use a thermal clip-on system for a long-range application, definitely look into our new Apollo Pro line. Most of the guys out there, they have their favorite daytime scope attached to their weapon, and they don't want to remove it in order to shoot with the thermal system or a I-square night vision. So what we do is we offer intensive line of clip-on systems both in thermal configuration and in night vision configuration, where with the simple quick release mount, you can mount it directly in front of your favorite daytime scope and convert your daytime scope into either a thermal or a night vision system. Armasight offers one of the smallest night vision clip-on systems on the market. This right here is a CO Mini. It comes in a tan color and a black color. This system, as you can see, absolutely tiny and will work with any of your short-range daytime systems. This system is designed for shorter range night vision shooting up to about 100-150 yards. But if you're looking for the smallest and the lightest weight night vision clip-on system, look no further, because CO Mini is the one that you've been looking for. If you're looking to shoot at a medium range at nighttime, we offer two systems that we call a medium range systems. One is offered as a COX and the other one is a COMR. Both systems will give you approximately the same distance, up to about 400 to 500 yards at nighttime, depending on type of image intensifier tube you're using in it. But the bottom line is, if you're looking to shoot it with your medium range daytime scope, those units right here are both economical and excellent performers. They've been on the market for about a year. We have extremely good feedback on them. So for a medium range system that you might be interested in ranging anywhere from a couple of $1,000 and up, look no further. Pay attention to COX and COMR system. They're available in both Generation 2 Plus and Gen 3. You can also get them in the white phosphor or green phosphor image intensifier tubes. For people that like long-range shooting at night, we offer our system, which is called COLR. This is a long-range clip-on systems. This one will pretty much outperform majority of the clip-on systems on the market today, and it will allow you to shoot as far as 1,000 yards, depending on the type of image intensifier tube you have in it. Now, this system equipped with all the latest features that are available. It can be equipped with Gen 2 Plus or Gen 3 image intensifier tubes. It's offered in a white phosphor configuration or standard green phosphor configuration. Armasight Zeus already proved its place on the market for the past year as one of the most unique and impressive thermal weapon sights, based on its feature, based on its price point, and based on its performance. Zeus is available in 42mm lens and 75mm lens. It can be offered in lower resolution type of cores, like 160 by 120, or you can go with 336 or 640 core, which definitely will improve the performance of your overall system. Now, if you're looking for the best possible performance, definitely look into a Zeus with the 75mm lens, because clearly, if you have the largest lens available on the thermal system, you will definitely get the best performance both at night or daytime. Now, the beauty of using thermal weapon sights is that you don't have to use it only for nighttime or daytime. It can work either way. It can be used during the day or during the night, because for the thermal system versus night vision, the light does not make any difference. The thermal system picks up the heat signature, and that's what you're looking for. Now, one of the side effects of thermal equipment is the identification. You cannot identify the object as good as you can with your night vision. So if you are looking for identification more than detection, then definitely take a look at our night vision line of weapon sights. But if you are looking for a thermal weapon sight where your job is to detect the object, identify it to make sure you can tell that it's an animal, the one that you're trying to hunt, this is a perfect option right here. For people that are looking for something a little bit more than what the market offers today in the thermal weapon sight line, I recommend looking at Zeus Pro. The Zeus Pro is a full mil-spec line of thermal weapon sight, which is designed for military, law enforcement, and civilian applications, but the unit answers to all the latest military parameters. It is submersible to 20 meters deep. It withstands the recoil up to 50 caliber, including a 50 caliber. The system will be offered in 30 millimeter lens, 50 millimeter lens, and 100 millimeter lens for the people that are trying to get the maximum distance with their thermal weapon sights. The unit is packaged with the features that are not available to any of our competitors at this point. So definitely pay attention to a new Zeus Pro line that's going to come out shortly.